Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful quilling wall panel with these handmade lovely flowers and the handmade background. Yes, completely the background is created with your own. So let's get started. For this we need some inks, some ink applicators, flower stamps, script stamp, any leaf stencil, brick stencil, scissor, quilling tool, liquid glue, black and white color thick sheets and some 3 mm quilling strips. First I am taking this black color sheet which measures 20 by 28 centimeters and this white sheet which measures 18 by 26 centimeters. Both sheets are having 250 GSM thickness. So now I'm just connecting my white sheet on top of black sheet. Like this. Now I am taking this brick stencil which is from Little Birdie and using little orange and brown ink I am making texture of bricks on my base. So I am randomly adding this orange and brown color here and there and covering whole paper. So this is done and base is ready. Now using this leaf stencil and green color distress ink I am just making some leaf pattern. So it will look like leaves are coming or veil of any plant is coming from the brick. Like this, isn't it looking very pretty? Now using these small flower stamps I'm stamping here and there using red color ink. Here I'm using archival ink. And then using script stamp from Mudra and black color ink, I'm stamping here and there for a little shabby chic look. So our base of the panel is ready. In this way you can create your own pattern paper. Now I'm starting with my first flower. For this I'm taking half strip of peach color and I'm making one teardrop shape. Like this. In the same way I have created one more teardrop. Now joining both the petals together and wrapping this whole petal using pink color strip. In the same way we need total 6 petals, so joining all 6 together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So flower is ready. In the same way we need total 8 flowers. Now to create bud, I am taking half strip of sap green color and making one cone first. Just insert one pencil in this tight coil and make a cone. Fill this cone with glue. Before that insert one wired pollen through this and then add glue. Now I am taking half strip of pink color and making one dome. Then connecting the dome with this cone and the bud is ready. Allow it to dry completely for some time. In the same way we need total 6 buds. Now I'm starting with bud flower like this. So to create this flower I'm taking half strip of red color and 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one leaf shape. Now joining 5 petals together and adding one stone in the center. So flower is ready. Here I have already prepared this base just like we did for bud, and I have used one strip to create this cone. So I am waiting to dry my flower, then I will connect both together. So the flower is little bit dried. I am just pushing it on my palm to make it 3D. Now add glue on back side of the flower and connect with the lower part. That is the stamen. Allow it to dry. In the same way I have created 3 more flowers. These are very pretty, isn't it? Now I am starting with this filler flower. For this I have already prepared some red color tight coils in different sizes. These are made using 1/4, this is 1/3, this is half, this is 3/4 and this is made using 1 strip. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of red color folding this from the center and connect it. Then start adding these coils one by one in increasing order. So the filler flower is ready. Now I'm starting with leaf. For this I'm taking half strip of light green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. Then join 3 petals together and your leaf is ready. Also, I have created some scrolls using same light green and dark green colors. If you want to learn these scrolls, I have given link in description box. You can check there. Now take back your panel. Here I am adding this sentiment. Life is a beautiful ride with you. On back side of this, I have already added some pieces of cardboard to make it little dimensional. So just adding glue and connecting my sentiment. Then roughly I am arranging all my flowers, leaves, buds, scrolls so that I can see what combination or what arrangement will look nice. And then I am starting by adding all the flowers, leaves, buds with the base. In the same way, connect all the scrolls. So after adding scrolls, this is done. Now in the top right corner and bottom left corner, I am adding these series of half cut pearls just to decorate the corners. Like this. So the beautiful wall panel is ready. You can just glass frame it and decorate your wall. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.